What we have here is a 2011 Jeep Patriot. Okay, it's a Jeep Patriot, and this has a CVT transmission in it. A JFO 11E. This vehicle has 95,000 miles. That's it. And the transmission is ready to come out where it's already came out and have to be repaired. Now, the thing is, I want to show you something so that when you get certain codes, you can get an idea of where you may have to check. You know, because a lot of people are still learning on these CVTs. So when I run into some issue, then I kind of help out by posting what I come across when we're working on these CVTs. Now, what we had here, we took the codes. We had a P077 code, which is pressure control solenoid B stuck on, and a P0730 incorrect gear ratio. Now, for the most part, people figure, okay, well, let me try to fix this without going inside the transmission. It's possible, but what I do with CVTs, I automatically take it out because, again, we're getting used to it to see if there's any internal problems. And one problem that I find all the time is that the drive gear balls always break and stick the piston to the drum and it doesn't move. And that is what happened. I'm going to show you that. Let me come back here. See if I can get to the rebuilders area here. All right, where is this drum? Here's the transmission apart on the bench here. And going right down here to this drum here. See if I can put some light on the subject. If you see right in there, right in that crack, those are the balls that had broken up and they had jammed this pulley. You see over here, see that there? All of that has been jammed up. Now, if you notice on the Nissan Murano, I showed that too, where it has jammed this pulley up and it cannot variate. All that is the damage that's done here. Now, I cannot get this pulley to move up and down like it's supposed to. It's stuck. So this whole drum is going to have to be replaced. Okay? And then this is going to have to be put together. Now, while this is being replaced, others who are rebuilding or fixing these transmissions are noting that there is problems in the valve body where valve body issues wear. So if you can get a valve body that has been repaired by a valve body expert who goes inside, take the valves out and oversize them or put new valves in, make sure that nothing is stuck. While you have the transmission apart, I recommend doing that. Also the pump, which is over here. This pump here, it is said that the pump has problems. The flow control valve, it wears out, and when it wears out, it causes pressure problems. So again, if you are repairing your own transmission, it's best to have this repaired too. Well, buy one that's already been repaired and put it in, so you don't have to worry about those issues. You already got it apart. if you're doing it, you're saving money by trying to fix your own anyway. Go ahead and fix it so that you can keep going. The ones I know who sell these are WIT, and that's Whatever It Take Transmissions, I believe, and also Reman Valve Bodies, which is in Michigan. So you get a pump that has been, the flow control valve has been fixed, and you also come over here and get you a valve body, which they have tested and have remanufactured or repaired, and then you go ahead and put that together, and then you get you a good used pulley set. And what I would do, replace those balls and use those pins that I had told you about. See, if this had pins in it, then they would not have broken like this. This vehicle would have been steady going. So, to recap, you saw the pressure codes that was set inside the vehicle computer. Let me go back to them. Okay, so you saw these pressure codes, which is P077 pressure code, solenoid B stuck on, and P0730 incorrect gear ratio. You see these codes. Now you see what caused these codes. Wasn't a solenoid, possibly. It was the balls breaking, jamming the pulley where it couldn't variate. Therefore, the computer not knowing or not seeing that the pulley was stuck just through a pressure code. So with these CVTs, when you fix them, when you have problems, my recommendation is take the transmission out and go through the transmission. Yes, it's extra work, but you need to examine things and make sure everything is okay. All right? P0777, P0730, stuck drive pulley.